Then have some more dimes, you piece of shit.
Fuck you, Chica!
Y'all, there isn't anything good on TV anymore, bro. I should have just choose to scroll on TikTok or Reels instead.
Piece of shit!
Long penis.
Stick it up your ass!
Boner.
Penis pump.
Crippling depression.
Go home and kill myself.
Gambling.
Terrorists win.
I don't think
I'm straight.
I'm hella mad, just lost my new 10 years. 2021 the
Wiener?
made up.
Sperm.
Convert the crypto in a
Cock.
You can take one of those dildos that I got back there and go fuck yourself. That's what you can do.
You can't have it and get the hell out of